Hi friends, I have with me AB Bonita, the president of Philippines Mind Sports Association, and she is a national coach for the country, and she has a rich experience of more than 13 plus years in the field of memory. Yes, hi Bonita. So it's very happy to see you here. How important is memory to you?
Yeah, for me, memory is highly important in our daily life because we can use it to remember tasks that we need to do every day. Or for me, as a speaker and a trainer, I can use it to make presentation without notes. Also, since I'm into memory coaching, I help the students to use the memory techniques in improving their performance at school, or for entrepreneurs, improve their performance at work or even in business.
Great. So, how is it considered in your country? How is memory considered in your country?
For now, we are continuing to expand and grow the community. It's not yet known as compared to other physical sports, but we're getting some media attention now and television interviews, so more schools are getting interested to join the programs.
So, your basic target audience are students in your country?
For memory sports, our main target were basically students, but in the past years, we've also seen an increase in juniors and adult participants, and we even had a memory player who is already 70 years old. Mainly for memory sports, the young ones are the most active, but it's developing interest in adult participants already.
What are the changes that you have seen when students start training for these memory sports? Have you seen any changes in them? What can we expect when we start doing memory sports?
Okay, so mainly the focus improve, high focus, high discipline. At the same time, the confidence level of the students increase highly. At the same time, their performance in school, for example, they learned how to convert information from short-term memory to long-term memory. And we have seen an improvement as well in their performance in their academics.
That's really great. So very happy to be associated with you. And
Yeah, namaste. I'm very happy to meet Vaishnavi in the Asia Memory Sports Championship. I have seen her students in the competition and I've got a chance to talk to her, and I've witnessed how her performance improved before and as compared to the moment she started training with Coach Vaishnavi. So I invite those people who's gonna watch this video to try out memory sports, learn more about memory techniques. You can search for Coach or Teacher Vaishnavi. She's like a mother to her students, and learn more about the community. Yeah.
thank you so much, Anita.